Hey guys, this is MilesjoyVlogs and this is Gourd. I am going to cook steamed pork in Gourd plus some ingredients. So please watch until the end, guys. And I hope if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Plus hit the bell to notify you of my upcoming videos. And please stay tuned until the end of this video. Thank you guys. These are my ingredients, guys. 50 Hong Kong dollar minced pork, 2 Gourd, dried mushroom, carrot, and also dried prawn. They are all soaked, guys. I soak in water. The dried mushroom and dried prawn, guys, I soak in hot water until it's tender, and then a slice as big as this prawn, and I mix all the ingredients, guys. I slice the Gourd in round shape and removing the seeds or inside so that I can make a hole and put in the minced pork later on. Now it's time to marinate my minced pork, guys, and I'm gonna need 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, and 2 teaspoons sesame oil. And I will gonna mix everything here. As you can see, it's all mixed in one bowl, guys, all my ingredients. My minced pork in Gourd are ready to steam now, guys, and the water is boiling, and I will steam it for 20 minutes. My minced pork in Gourd are fully cooked now, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time again. I love you guys. Bye.